In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier email efficiently in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make the most out of Zapier, a tool that automates repetitive tasks and connects your favorite apps seamlessly. First, open your web browser and head over to the Zapier website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the login option. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you have a Google account, logging in is a breeze. Simply choose to log in using your Google account credentials, and you'll be quickly granted access to your Zapier dashboard. Once logged in, you should be on the home screen, which is your launching pad for all Zapier activities. This is where you can start creating your Zaps, automated workflows that connect your apps and services. Click on the Create button, an inviting gateway into the world of automation. With the Create button checked off your list, direct your attention to the Zaps section. By clicking on Zaps, you begin the process of crafting a new automation. Next, you'll want to set up a trigger, the event that will kickstart your Zap. For our demonstration, click on Trigger and then proceed to select Gmail as the app you want to interact with. Once you've chosen Gmail, it's time to specify the event that will act as your trigger. Click on New Email, which tells the system to act every time a new email hits your Gmail inbox. Before moving forward, make sure to click on Test to confirm everything is set up correctly. Now that you've handled the trigger, it's time to set up the action, what you want to happen as a response to your trigger. Click on the Action button to proceed. Here, you should select Email as the app. When selecting an event, choose Send Outbound Email. This action will automatically send an email every time the trigger event occurs. Just like before, it's important to test this action to ensure it functions properly. Click the Test button and verify that everything is running smoothly from your trigger to your action. Testing is essential in confirming that your automated workflow is poised to perform as desired. The final step is to click on Publish. By doing so, you engage your Zap, bringing your automation to life. With publication complete, your Zap is live and operational, streamlining tasks and saving you valuable time and effort. Congratulations, you've just set up a Zap using Zapier email. By following these steps, you've automated a part of your workflow, allowing you to focus more on what matters most to you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to explore even more automations using Zapier.